Statsproblems.com was used to create this tutorial, which can help us calculate the standard error of the estimate in a regression analysis, but with less calculation than a complete analysis because the sum of products and sums of squares are given. Let's begin by selecting one of the 25 example problems. The question appears in the blue box. Below are the inputs to a regression analysis. Number of score pairs, n, is 14. Sum of products, SP, is 640. Sum of squares x, SSx, is 400. Sum of squares y, SSy, is 1116. What is the standard error of the estimate? Let's step through the solution by clicking on the Next Step button. In Step 1, we calculate the slope of the regression line, b. The slope of the regression line, b, equals the sum of products, SP, divided by the sum of squares x, SSx. In this example, b equals 640 divided by 400, which works out to 1.6. In Step 2, we calculate the sum of squares regression, SS regression. The sum of squares regression, SS regression, equals the slope of the regression line, b, times the sum of products, SP. In this example, SS regression equals 1.6 times 640, which works out to 1024. In Step 3, we calculate the sum of squares residual, SS residual. The sum of squares residual, SS residual, equals the sum of squares y, SSy, minus the sum of squares regression, SS regression. In this example, SS residual equals 1116 minus 1024, which works out to 92. In Step 4, we calculate the standard error of the estimate. The standard error of the estimate equals the square root of the sum of squares residual, SS residual, divided by the number of score pairs, n, minus 2. In this example, the standard error of the estimate equals the square root of 92 divided by 14 minus 2, which works out to the square root of 92 divided by 12, which works out to the square root of 7.667, which works out to 2.769. In addition to the 25 example problems, we can work step by step through an unlimited number of new problems using the Generate button. The Edit Data button can help us create problems with customized input. Instructors can use this function to create problems with complete solutions to use on exams, in class, or for homework. For printed output, we can print the question. Or we can print the question with the complete solution. You can also work out the complete calculation of the standard error of the estimate with scores as input, but this problem solver takes a long time to work out with so many steps. The free website has statistical analyses in all of the most common areas in statistics. Statsproblems.com also has a mobile version so you can access the site from anywhere. For help with statistical concepts, HelpMeWithStats.com is a free website that has more than 70 tutorials, as videos, or as self-paced slideshows. In addition, HelpMeWithStats.com gives you free access to a comprehensive stats textbook with more than 685 review questions. Thanks for watching. If you find these resources valuable, please share Statsproblems.com and HelpMeWithStats.com with your friends and instructors.